In this video, I'm going to cover Bitcoin's breakout and video games on the blockchain. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you'd like daily crypto content, feel free to subscribe and like the video. So I'm going to get into Bitcoin's breakout. We got above 10,000 but had a pullback here recently. And also video games on the blockchain. First, I'm going to take a look at Coin to see what's going on in the markets as we speak. Let's head over to Coin. We'll collect some Brave rewards here real quick first. Okay, and let's head on over to Coin to see what's going on in the market. So Bitcoin's been pretty stagnant for a couple months now. Finally, it had a nice breakout yesterday, hit $10,000, pulled back a bit to $9,889.31. Ethereum up to $311 after sitting below $250 for quite some time. So some great, some good news right there. Let's see what's going on in the 24-hour charts. Elrond up 35%. Status up almost 12%. Digitex futures, Ampleforth tearing it up, doing some good things there. IXX recovering a little bit after having a rough 7 days. So losers for the day: Yearn Finance down 15% after going up almost 300% over the 7 days. Crazy stuff. Synthetics Network 12.8%. Divi, Aave down a little bit. Swipe, Thorchain, and so on. Okay. Now taking a look at Bitcoin. So why Bitcoin suddenly spiked to 10,200 and instantly liquidating 75 million. So we'll take a look at this here. So the price of Bitcoin rose to as high as $10,272 on July 26th in an unexpected weekly rally. It liquidated 74 million worth of long contracts on BitMEX alone, catching many traders off guard. There appear to be two main reasons behind the abrupt upsurge of Bitcoin from 9,700 to 10,200. They are the liquidation of over-leveraged shorts and traders taking profit from overextended alternative cryptocurrencies. The profit-taking pattern observed as Bitcoin spiked. So when the price started to rally, major altcoins as well as well-performing DeFi tokens began to slump. Ethereum declined from 322 to 311, and DeFi tokens, including Aave and YFI, saw steep rejections. Now, you guys probably noticed that if you were getting into altcoins and all of a sudden your profits started to go down. Well, this is exactly why people were leaving altcoin profits and jumping into Bitcoin, trying to ride that wave. So luckily altcoins have recovered today for the most part. The simultaneous rejections of major altcoins and the price surge of Bitcoin suggest that traders took profit from recent altcoin rallies. As traders moved their altcoin gains to Bitcoin, it possibly triggered a BTC uptrend while altcoins declined. ETH, as an example, rose from 247 on July 23rd to 322 on the day's peak, recording a 30% gain. Despite the strong sentiment around altcoins, investors are possibly taking a more cautious approach by hedging their gains. So, it's good to see Bitcoin on the uptrend. That $10,000 mark seems like it's rough going for Bitcoin. It's going to be interesting to see what happens here moving forward. If it actually will finally break past 10,000, I think if it does, all bets are off. So a little more of the story here. So for Ethereum's ETH token, the funding rate is hovering at over 0.1%, which suggests the rally is beginning to get overheated. In February, ETH's price rejected at $280 as its funding rate surpassed 0.2%, and when the overwhelming majority of the market was longing the asset. And then second, $10,000 has acted as a key psychological level for Bitcoin since October 2019. If BTC rejects at 2,200, it would still be lower than the previous peak in February 2020 at 10,473. Although it would be far-fetched to call it a lower high formation, it might show that BTC price is not cleanly broken out of the multi-month range. So it'll be very interesting to see what happens with Bitcoin moving forward. And gaming. Let's look at the gaming industry a little bit. So gaming industry use of blockchain may lead to mass adoption. Some crazy projects like Engine are leading the way. Stuff like Wax. Another one that's not talked about enough is Vibe, which I'm going to do a little deeper dive on Vibe here soon. Vibe Hub. They actually have a video game called Vibe or Die. And you can earn Vibe tokens and other tokens that it supports, like Neo. It supports Neo and some others, and I'm going to get into that soon. It also accepts Binance, so that's Vibe. But anyway, blockchain technology has the potential to create a new era of gaming and drive true adoption in the industry. So I'm going to go down here. So speculation on platforms that may find blockchain applications and tokens useful in the gaming is on the rise, and the platforms are often listed on top exchanges shortly after being released. With the continued development of easy-to-use user interfaces, standards for blockchain applications using relevant technologies to move transactions from proof-of-work platforms to one offering greater transaction speeds, and the release of items capturing the attention of audiences. Acceptance by the mainstream is only a matter of time. So blockchain technology is especially suited for gaming, and gaming can directly benefit from blockchain technology, both technically as well as unlocking value from in-game items, tournaments, character developments, and gamer recognition. This paves way for esports being a leader in the sports and entertainment sector, much like the internet is now. Today, traditional media is mostly run on the internet, so perhaps through blockchain technology, all sports could one day contain elements of esports. So, interesting stuff here. I definitely think esports and gaming cryptocurrencies are going to lead the surge to mass adoption. Just look at Vibe or Die over at the Vibe Hub and look at what Engine's doing. Question for you guys: do you guys use any blockchain type video games? Do you guys play? Do you guys win any tokens for playing games or win coins for playing games? Do you guys buy skins through the blockchain? Let me know down below. Also, what do you guys think of Bitcoin breaking out to 10? Do you think it's actually going to stick? It's down a little bit now, not quite 10, but do you think it's going to break through 10,000 once again in the near future? Please like and subscribe, and we will catch you tomorrow.